Like, share, and subscribe.
Get ready, wear comfortable cloth, use a yoga mat. Let's get started. Warm up exercise. Stay relaxed and warm up. First one, shoulder rolls. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arm relaxed by the side. Roll the shoulder backward 5 times and forward 5 times. Breathe normally through the nose. Next up, torso rotation. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arm relaxed by the side. Swing the arms gently, rotating the torso. Breathe normally. Do not overstretch. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds.
Next up, wrist rotation. Keep the arm parallel to the ground and rotate the wrist clockwise 5 times and then anti-clockwise 5 times. Breathe normally. Ensure arms are parallel to the ground. Next up, side punches. Punch on the side at shoulder height. Punch in repetitions of 2. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Change the side.
Let's start with main workout. Next up, jumping jacks. Stand on your toes. Do it for 25 to 30 seconds. For high intensity workout, do it for 60 seconds. Next up, abdominal crunch. Focus on raising the upper body. Do not hold the head by your hand. Exhale while you lift the upper body.
Next up, high knees. Stand on the toes. Raise the knee as high as possible, ideally making a right angle with the upper body. Next up, side kicks. Stand feet shoulder width apart, kick at the side. Do not try to lift the leg too high. Alternate right and left leg. Next up, burpees. Combination of a push-up and high jump. Do it for 10 to 15 reps. Remember to exhale as you push up.
Let's move to cool down.
Next up, elephant pose. Keep one hand straight, interlock with the other hand and pull. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat with other hand.
Reach front. Interlock your fingers with palms facing inside. Reach front. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Reach behind. Interlock your fingers with palm facing inside. Reach behind. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Triceps stretch. Fold one arm behind the head and hold with other hand. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Do not overstretch. Alternate the arm. That's all for the day. See you tomorrow.
Comment your attendance, like, share, and subscribe.